Welcome to our comprehensive review of Woolworths Employees Credit Union, your guide to understanding this financial institution without the jargon. If you've been wondering whether this bank is right for you, stay tuned as we explore everything you need to know. Woolworths Employees Credit Union caters primarily to employees of Woolworths, providing personalized banking options. They offer savings accounts, loans, and member-focused benefits, claiming to provide competitive interest rates and reduce fees compared to traditional banks. Advantages: low fees. Woolworths Credit Union emphasizes lower service fees compared to standard banks, saving you money over time. Exclusive member services. Designed for Woolworths employees. These include tailored financial advice and discounts. Accessibility. With an intuitive online platform and mobile banking app, account management is user-friendly. Competitive interest rates. Loan options include lower interest rates compared to many larger banks. Disadvantages: limited eligibility. Only Woolworths employees and their families can become members, making it exclusive. Fewer branches. Unlike traditional banks, the credit union operates fewer physical branches, which may be inconvenient. Less diverse products. Options like international services or advanced investment products are limited. Cost overview: monthly account maintenance. These range from $0 to $5, depending on account type. Loan interest rates typically start at 5% per annum for secured loans. Late payment penalties and overdraft fees average $30, so timely payments are crucial. Service overview: their online banking system is efficient, allowing for quick balance checks, easy transfers, and real-time loan applications. The customer service team receives high ratings for resolving issues, with responses within 24 hours on average. Are you ready to decide if Woolworths Employees Credit Union is the right fit for your financial needs? If this breakdown was helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more reviews, and leave a comment below to share your thoughts.